Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for your continued coverage and diligence in helping Orange County get out the most accurate and up-to-date information. We really count on you, and thank you so much. Orange County continues to work collaboratively with public and private organizations, as well as regional, state, and federal leaders to navigate this rapidly changing public health crisis. Mayor Demings will address where Orange County stands as of today. We'll also have Buddy Dyer, Mayor of City of Orlando, Dr. Raul Pino, Health Officer for the Florida Department of Health in Orange County, Dr. Yolanda Martinez, Orange County Health Services Director, Danny Banks, Orange County Director of Public Health, and John Mina, Sheriff for Orange County. Now, all will be speaking today at this news conference, and then afterwards we will open it up for questions both in English and Spanish. With that, I would like to go ahead and welcome Mayor Jerry Demings.
All right. Thank you again for being here for this press event. Before I get into the formal part of my comments this afternoon, let me just do something here. I want to talk directly to the members of our community, because it's really not lost upon me that while we are yet in this state of crisis, that it is having an emotional impact on our entire community. I know that as families and individuals, we are experiencing a state of anxiety that's like a roller coaster per se. And what we're here to do as your local governments is to reassure the people in this community that we are prepared as we possibly can be to meet the needs of this pandemic within our community. Today you're going to hear some things that we will make announcements about. And I want our community to understand that the measures that we are taking those measures in light of trying to do the best that we can do to control the spread of the COVID-19 virus throughout our community. Certainly America and the state of Florida and our local communities remain in this state of crisis, and we are likely going to remain in this state for the foreseeable future. If we do what we can do individually to protect ourselves and our families, then we'll be able to stop the spread of this virus. And so that's really what this is all about today. This is about stopping the spread of the virus. Just prior to coming downstairs, I received a new executive order from our governor, and that executive order did a number of things. Governor Ron DeSantis issued Executive Order 20-71, directing all restaurants and food establishments within the state of Florida to suspend on-premises food and alcohol consumption for customers. The listed establishments may, however, operate their kitchens for the purpose of providing delivery or takeout services. In addition, the executive order lifts the restriction that prohibits a specially licensed food establishment from selling package sales of alcohol for delivery, takeout, or consumption off premises for restaurants complying with the executive order. Alcohol sales to go with food that is for pickup or delivery will be permitted, and ID will be required for orders including alcohol. These, of course, are related to Florida statutes under chapters 561, 500, and 509. This, again, also included the closures of gymnasiums and fitness centers within the state of Florida. Now, as I kind of transition to what we're doing here locally, I want to remind our community that we are all in this COVID-19 fight together, and we are relying together, not just within Orange County, but as a region, state, and a nation. We must be vigilant in protecting each other's health, even though there are restrictions on how we interact and socialize. The health of our community, particularly many older patients and those with underlying health conditions, is at stake. We need your help. We need your help, the public, to comply and cooperate with the directives that we are laying out today. As of today, we have 22 cases in Orange County involving COVID-19. That's up from the last time that we came before you by way of a press conference. It's up from the 14 or 15 just a couple of days ago. So the numbers are continuing to increase. Out of the 22, 19 of those individuals are really residents of Orange County. Some important points we want to: social distancing. I am implementing a curfew for Orange County effective tonight at 11 p.m. through 5 a.m. until further notice. And that means that until the order expires from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Each night, there will be a curfew countywide here within Orange County, inclusive of the municipalities. Please be mindful of this curfew and only go out if you are required to do so for work. Other exemptions for the curfew include essential workers like medical personnel, government personnel, first responders, security personnel. The Orange County Sheriff's Office will be enforcing this curfew starting tonight and moving forward. Orange County's Convention Center parking lot is being made available to the Department of Health Emergency Management for the state of Florida to work with our state government to begin testing. We believe that it is likely going to begin the first of this coming week. We also will be opening a test site within East Orange County. Again, please be patient. Additional information will flow regarding the testing sites that will be opening the beginning of next week. One point we would like to stress to the public is that these testing sites are not a catch-all for everyone to be tested. You need to show specific signs, have underlying indicators where you have a compromised health immune system and other specific symptoms in order to be tested at these particular sites. We do not want the public to flood to these sites, especially if you are healthy individuals. In terms of hardships, we realize, again, that our community is experiencing various financial hardships. If you have a financial hardship, I'm going to announce that because of these hardships, we are offering a COVID-19 rental assistance program to help those who reside in Orange County and need help with rent and utilities in the coming month. We have established a crisis assistance hotline at area code 407-836-6500, 407-836-6500. The hours of operation will generally be during normal business hours, Monday through Friday, between 8:30 a.m. and as late as 3 p.m. That the documents be dropped off and that you follow the appointment schedule.